Tonight, a lot of undocumented immigrants in the Bay Area are wondering what is going to happen now. The Supreme Court today effectively blocked President Obama's immigration actions that would have shielded millions from deportation. Betty Yu is in San Jose tonight.
They sang, prayed, and rallied in the place where Cesar Chavez fought for farm workers more than 50 years ago. Today, they organized after a Supreme Court deadlock, a one-line order by justices divided 4-4, keeping the status quo and effectively striking down the president's 2014 immigration actions that would grant roughly 4 million undocumented immigrants a reprieve from deportation.
The fact that the Supreme Court wasn't able to issue a decision today doesn't just set the system back even further. It takes us further from the country that we aspire to be.
Santa Clara County says today's split decision affects more than 140,000 immigrants in the county, many of whom live in the neighborhood of Our Lady of Guadalupe Church.
People that come to us at Amigos of Guadalupe make between $0 to $10,000 a year. That's what they're making in a valley that is so absolutely rich.
Geraldo Cineros is an undocumented immigrant. He has 2 young children born in the U.S. He's worked for 20 years at an electronics plant and pays taxes. Speaking through a translator, he talked about living in the shadows.
He can't be part of society. If there are 2 lines, he will always be in the lesser line.
Tonight was about building a resistance movement, not in the sense of big marches, but in the voting booth this November. Today, President Obama also put the next steps in immigration reform in the hands of voters. In San Jose, Betty Yu, KPIX 5.
Now, it is important to note, though, the president still has wide discretion to enforce immigration policies, meaning the ruling will not likely lead to increased deportation.